Welcome to 11034 East Ravenna Avenue in Mesa's Mountain Horizons community, a stunning 6-bedroom, 4.5-bath home on a premium north-south lot with no rear neighbors and over 4,200 square feet of living space. The kitchen is a true centerpiece with a large island, granite slab counters, travertine backsplash, 42-inch cherry cabinets with crown molding, stainless appliances, butler's pantry, and a separate walk-in pantry for extra storage. Upstairs, enjoy a large loft, 4 oversized secondary bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, and a spacious owner's suite with dual walk-in closets and a spa-like bath. Elegant details like plantation shutters, 4-inch baseboards, surround sound, and iron spindle railings elevate the home's style and comfort. This versatile layout includes a downstairs bedroom with its own full bath and walk-in closet, perfect for guests or multi-gen living, plus a den and half bath. Step outside to a relaxing backyard retreat with an extended covered patio and Pebble-Tec pool featuring a baja step and in-ground cleaning system. A 3-car garage, RV gate, upstairs laundry with cabinets and sink, and soft water system make this home as functional as it is beautiful.